15 to shoot. That's the third shot from last. Third on the shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. Cruz, 7 seconds to shoot. Revisions again, 5 seconds. Drawing. 4 shot. Simple. Segundo lang yan. Isang segundo. 1 second to shoot. 1 second to shoot. Cash. Good, good. First basket, coming from the board. There's number 18, number 11. Mendoza with that. Sweep pass, the beat, number 10. 40 on the shot clock. The beat now. Kick out. Mendoza taking a boom pass. And a whistle. Now, first number 11. First personal. First to foul. Jumpers ready. Stop trying. Awak din. Okay, deadlock. Number 11, number 6, Danao. Ating tangan. Danao pa rin. 3 pass. Cruz. Launches a three. In and out. Rebound. Pass in the wind. Number 10. The big pa rin. Right now, bitaw na pala. On the half field, watch the division. Here's the 6 pocket. Oh, intercepted and a whistle. Out of bounds. Here's number 6. First personal, 17 down. Okay, rebound, 7 of them. Sige, 7-5 ka lang yung isa. Cruz. Pass number 20. Garcia. Cruz Brad. Sweet pass number 11. Pong, kakagtagin. Wala. Rebound. Good ball. Pass number 11. Crossover. Got it in the middle. Desiree. Behind rebound. The last. Pasa. The number 21. Pakin na wala. Wala. Rebound Zimbo. Okay, 19 on the shot clock. Infield. Cruz Baran. Kick out number 20. Defense on number 18. 15 to shoot. Can pass the screen. Drawing pass number 11. Kakal na gulit. Kick out. 10 seconds. Launches the play. Boogie. Good ball on the time. And there's you have to. And of course, unlike number 7-7. First personal 13 foul. Okay, 2 throws na. 2 throws. No jumpers, no jumpers. By 3 to change me for the single. That's number 18. Screen. Point. Bring in 11. Drawing the pass. Feeling. Good. 5-2 tatlo. Pass number 20. Garcia. Very pass. Danao. Number 11. I had pass down on bounds. Ikaw ulit isang tama na namitaan. On the shot clock. Sweet pass. The big long through. Julian. Revolver. Number 11 with and a whistle. The number 16. First personal. First to Bill. Okay, dinaw na India. Pass number 20. Dinaw pa rin. Number 20. Sweet pass, Cruz, favorites, Brock Lumbre. In and out. Rebound. Expecting ball. Comes to Jeremy Wong. Easy ang bola. Pass to Mr. Damanan. Back away by a whistle to number 6. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Okay, 14 foul. Number 18, Damanan. Golden pass. Yuto to number 10. Pong and pass. Noted. Number 11, Sullivan. And yes, so is Sullivan. Okay, foul ulit ang number 20. First personal penalty naman yan. First rise good. Ready jumpers. Sound rise good. 7-2, 5. You got number 11. Pass number 20. The down number 6. 15 on the shot clock. Number 11. 12 seconds shot clock. Teardrop. No good. Yuto. 4 shot. Pass number 18. Mr. Damanan. To Mendoza. Okay, turnover. Pass number 20. Garcia pa rin. Ross. Big and pass. Canal. Drive. Pull up, Jay. Number. 5 minutes of the Bilberry team is from Damanan ang adami. Drive. And set out now. Penalty. Penalty na rin. Chris Brown. 6 ata. Number 6. Time out. Western timeout, let's go. 2 minutes time. Para Mr. Damanan. Jumpers. Sound right. Good. 8-1 yan. India. Banding. Pass to Garcia. Screen by Danao. Garcia. Payne. Pass to Danao. 13 on the shot clock. Danao Mikalan. 10 seconds. Garcia. Zigzag. Drop pass na Mikalan. Balikan sa team of Del Stop. Damanan number 18. Damanan drawing. Last shot basket. It pulls out of them. Wala pa rin. Turn it down. Look at it again. Caught it natin. And a whistle. Brazil. What? Number 20. Second personal. Dalawa na din. Penalty pa rin. Okay, ready jumpers. Southville. Basket 9-2. Ito. 5 minutes and 12. Last possession. Eighteen on the shot clock. Sweet pass. Garcia. At last na. Nakakuha ng pesto. Paul. Myers. Block shot. Number 16 on the rebound. Casper. Bring over 10. Gustav Capita. Atake. Ronald Isabel. Look at it. Rebound number 20. Gustav Garcia. Stop and pass. Tagaw. Third one. And whistle. Foul numbers 16. Dalawa ka na. Oh, G-spread na. Hindi na ka dalawa. So, Okay, wait, hold on. 9-4, bawa sa 5. Really pass to number 12 point. Pass to number 7. Lanzas the three. No good. Rebound. Naku. Pasa. Opo. Fake. Pass. Nabitawan. Spin. Balikan ni Mr. Derwan. Tatawid sa team ng Love Scout. Pass to number 29. Ini pass 68 sa kalaban na punta. Mr. Alfonso. Drive. Airdrop. Is it right? Okay. Balik-balik sa team ng Livestock. Here's number 7, Baloyot, zigzagging move. 4 shot, rebound is down Opo. Balikan sa team ng Livestock. They're not around. They'll bounce. Now, number 2. That's number 25. Hindi makakata naman. 16 on shot clock. Right, and pump the ball, dark ball tayo. Opo, tumisir na ako, pass in the middle, Miguel, long three. Look at it. Pass number 7. 15-second shot clock. 10-second shot clock. Drive. And a whistle. Foul is number 18. First personal penalty. Kick out. 12 on the shot clock. Long minute. Number 2. Easy basket. Don't board. Pass. Pull up. Good for 2. Don't 6. Ayos din po na. Pwede ang shot clock. $18 shot clock. $50 shot clock. Gillis, 12 seconds. Cross pass, 9 on the shot clock. Drive, again. Put it on, whistle. Foul, here's number 18, dalawa na. Second personal foul. Sound right? There's nothing. Mr. Namo. Ang pass number 2. Balik kay Mr. Alfonso. Pass, Namo. Teardrop is good. Okay, babas na apat. $50 on the shot clock. 1 minute and 50. 12 seconds shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. Is 8 seconds. Right. Kick out. Floater shot. Wala. Rebound. Alfonso. Mr. Taco ngayon ang kakata. Pinoy Stepper per shot is good. Don't think babas sa dalawa. Kaya sa mga isip. Right. Blocking penalty. First contact penalty. Okay na po. Pass, kick out, long two. Rebound. No good. But there's a whistle. Foul versus number 77. First personal and the 17th foul. There's an 1 minute and 10 seconds. Floating center shot clock. To one left corner. Launches a three. Mr. Napo. Pull-up pass. Mr. Obo. Extra pass. Good for two. Okay, then come down. 49 seconds. Drive. But again, number two. On the middle, Easy. Big and fires. No good. Rebound. The big man. 13 with that Rama. 33 seconds sa naging clock. Okay, rebound. That's number 18. Alfonso. Launches a three. No good. Shot clock is dead. 15 seconds. Is it? 10 seconds. Is it red? Double team. Nabitawan. Now jump goal single. 5.9 seconds. Simple now. Seconds. Is it 4 seconds? Right. 2 seconds. Third draw. And the first scorer is in the 14, that's number 20. That's on the corner. 14 on the shot clock. Kick out. David Lantas. Look at it. The rest of the rebound. Bagi Bass. Number 7 Bomar. Number 117 Mansco. 15 on the shot clock. Lantas a three. 16-15. Change before tayo. Isa lang. Kalamangan eh. That's number 20. Long three. That's number 7 board. And then the red salon. 18-15. Tatlo. Time, and Rizzo, ball number 7. First personal foul, first big foul. 19 on the shot clock, number 30. Vasilino. Time. Sinagasan depensa, nabitawan lang mo. Foul violation. Foul ball. Passing up quickly, move on to the referee. Wala. Number 13. Right. Dara-dara kanan. Pass number 21. Nico. Nice pass. Third off. It is well. Alright, Brazil's 17. Pass to number 7. Mendoza. Number 74. Kalianan. Kinalta. 2017. Balik sa tatlo. Sweet pass. Yung balik na naman. Back to back. 2 points. Babasa isa. Mendoza. Kaya lang again. Green. 14 on the shot clock. SC. 10 second shot clock. Cross. 8 seconds. Long 2. Wala. Big down number 14. Those minutes at 13. Now with the left. They pass on number 20. At the basket. They make good draw. Good one 2. Change the board. 21-20. Wala daw kalaman. Pass number 74, Kayanan. 15 on the shot clock, Mendoza now. 12 seconds. Kayanan, 10 on the shot clock, long 30. Things Wilson 15 on 14. 15 on the shot clock. 12 seconds to shoot. Magliari, long 3. In and out, rebound, Kayanan. 6 minutes and 3. Reserve Kayanan Varane. Drawing. Minaba. Kupit po pumasok. 5 minutes and 15 sa ating game clock. Number 14, Magliari. Atake the basket. Alternate, palakas. Rebound number 7. 5 minutes and 40. 4 and 3. And there's a happening na natin. That's number 20. Fifteen on the shot clock. Nico. Nice pass. Pong. David. On our ball. Kayanan. 17 seconds. Kayanan. Drawing. Speed. First shot. And now it's on. Kanina rin. Conversion number 54. First personal foul. First team foul. Okay, tatlo. So drawing, good friend, 21-25, apat, Indian, last possession. Fourteen second shot clock. 10 second shot clock. 8 second shot clock. Drive. Okay, buka pa rin ako. 4 seconds. Pasa. Okay, Indian. Advance. Change back down. Change back. Jersey number 8. First contact, 17 bell. Okay, basket count na 24-25. Isa na lang ang malamangan. Inbound. Number 45. Pass number 8. Howard. 14 on shot clock. Pass. Up to the middle. Rebound number 16. Still the lead. 30 Tanganan. Drive. Speed. Kick out. Kick. Nice lead. Nice pass. Out basket. But there's the whistle. Foul number 24. First personal foul. 13th foul. Are you ready, jumpers? Load it again. Rebound ako. Nakakababa na muna. Number 45. Pass number 24. 14 seconds shot clock. Pasa. Number 9, reverse. Malakas. Okay, rebound. Number 18, Tanganan. Simple na. That's number 8. 14 seconds shot clock. Don't do. Wala pa rin. Rebound number 12. Yung bumabitaan, number 16, and guys number 10, Mr. The Payment Tatawin. 15 on the shot clock. Tanganan, long try. Number the best of rebound. Wala and a foul. And a whistle on jersey number 9. First personal foul, warning for penalty. Okay, rebound. Dako. Number 45. 15 on the shot clock. Is there Nako? Wala ka rin. Dito mamaya. Okay, white ball. Number 11. Out of bounds. High pass. Number 45, Taco. Tawad. Santos. 15 on the shot clock. Pull up J. Wala. Okay, rebound. Pagkaya, isang Tanganan. Nakakuna sa pensa. Sisi po na. 26-25. Okay, warning take the game. Oh, that's it. 2 minutes and 10. On the game clock now. Number 8, Tawad. Mr. Nako. 10 seconds shot clock. Nako. 7 on the shot clock. Speed. Drop pass. Intercepted number 12. 1 minute and 15. Nako Barclay. Pass to number 11. Mendoza. Tanganan. Extra pass. Good to pasa. Dapat 29-5. 1 minute and 40. Pass to number 8. Mr. Tawad. 16 on the shot clock. Drop and pass. 12 seconds. Nako the logo. 10 seconds shot clock. Ganda pasa. Pumatay na ball. Tanganan na rebound. Nako wide open. Launches a very short pass lang. Reverse. Wala pa rin number 24. 1 minute exactly. The beat sa kaliwa. 2-on-1. Pass number 16. Easy na yun. Okay, segundo na lang. 53 seconds. Seconds game clock. Number 8 down. Santos. 40 on the shot clock. Long 3. Wala pa rin. 10 second shot clock. Nako. Spin. Wait. Easy rin. Is good. 30 seconds game clock. John, gangan na naman. Wala. Okay, shot clock is 10. 22 seconds. Ray. There's a Nako. Grabbing to the basket. Wala. 14 seconds. 10 seconds. Langanan na naman din ang pwesto. Wala pasa. Good review. 5 seconds. 2 seconds. Ayan ang reverse up. Official score 33-27. Anim. Para mga nasnes. 1 ball tayo sa third quarter.
Show
Naka-jumper. First leg na. Kasama. Dito na siya naka-jumper. Dito niya naka-jumper. White ball, tama. Naka-jumper. Tama, naka-jumper.
What?
Yun yun. Sweet pass ng kanan. David Paborito. Wala ngayon. Offensive feed down. Basket down. Okay, kasama down. Jersey number 11. Second personal foul. And a first team foul. Okay, 27-36. Second shot now. Pasa. Teresa. Turnover. Yun yun. Mr. Gross ang itaan to Mr. Namo. Number 45, bring it pass. Walker Boy. 18 on the shot clock. Intercepted. Mr. Lapid. Nagmama na net. Tatlo laban sa isa. Dakanan. Good Brazil. 38-27. Line down. Goes to number 11. Mr. Nabu. Pasa. Okay. Have guns again. Pass again. Nice clean. Okay, single now. Time out. The present time now. Let's go 38-27 on set. Kalamangan. Okay, 20 on the shot clock pa yan. Indian. Go on the shot clock. No good. Indian. Cruz. Launches. In and out. Indian. Balik-balik sa team. Loud stop na bitawan. Mr. David. Very fast lang. Anak na David. Yung pass ka daw. Nakapasa. Tumitira ka na lang. 40-27. Mr. Namo. Dinisgarte ngayon. At Manuel. Now through the hook. Big and pass. Mr. Bruce. Parkman bars away. Wala. Number 11, Mendoza. Tanganan naman na. Zigzag. Zigzag rin. Good for two. 22-27. Zigzag. Don't say a shot clock. Palm. 8 seconds. And there's a whistle. The down on jersey number 9. First personal foul, Mr. Gilas. First kick down. 14 on the shot clock. Pass up. Nago. Nakapwesto. Wala. Number 29, Isip. Zigzag. Spin. Papa fires. Wala rebound. And a whistle. Down jersey number 31. Substitution. First personal foul. 17 foul. Are you ready, jumpers? 11 out, Mendoza. All pass to Serrano. There's another quarter point. Now pass, Mr. Cruz, now on the middle. Kayanan sa kaliwa, atake. Here drop, left shot again. Siya wala natin na natin. With the tires. So Witzel, out of that shot, jersey number 2. First contact sa Montingo. And the line 43, 7 minutes exactly. Emerging Damatan. That's a return 15 on the shot clock. That pass, long 2. Wala, rebound, Ganyana Ligan. And a whistle. Whistle, jersey number 2. Second personal, 10 bell. Top up. Is it down? In that zone. That's the rules, but it is that level. So in a way, very fast, just a great good. Offensive rebound, put the line number 2 rebound. Pass it, is equal now. Sublet. Number 9. 45 more. Pass Alfonso. Left corner, 10-second shot clock. Miguel, long 3. No good. Number 18, Tanganan to the mid. The first shot, good for 2. 45-29. Pass to Mr. Tanganan. Side stop, zigzags in. Pass again, David naman. Tip-walk, long 2, papisang-pisa lang. 47-31. Baby pass, Cruz, 14 on the shot clock, pull up J. Yes, sir. Basa, important yung mga pansa. Hindi na pasok na sa mga mabili pass ni Miguel. 3-2 submission. Attacking the basket. Swing, drawn, kick out, Cruz. 14-second shot clock, wide open, Kansas and Ray. Good again. Mr. Gilas. Pass, Mr. Timpol. The bead ng tatawid. Tanganan sa kanan. 14 on the shot clock. 12-second shot clock. Screen. Zigzag. Abitaw. Intercepted ng Bonso. Dalawa naman sa isang attacking ng Bonso. Extra pass. So, basa-basa. Tanganan wide open. Long break. Look at Gilas. 15 on the shot clock, Tanganan. Nakaisang round. Banding up, 7-7. Substitution. David. Sub, sige pasok. Ay, ako. Tesel Ponso. Pass to Mr. Omo. Cheap pass, Kayanan. 15 on the shot clock. Cross pass. Alfonso Lombre. Yes, sir. 36-47. Babasa Moise. Good ball. 16 on the shot clock. Dimakali. 14 seconds. Launches. Mabawi sa tapas. Wala. Kayanan rebound. Drive, Sinagasa, here goes you. Time out. Okay, time out. 4 minutes and 1. Pass to Mr. Lugo. 16 on the shot clock. Long three. In and out. Tanyana may rebound. Really pass to Mr. Romo to the anticipation. Mr. Romo. Clean away. Good. 47. Mr. Lugo. Pasa. Number 7. The first shot. Nani Perez. Good deal. But it's a shot. Romo. And not away. Pass on the left wing and Bonso. Now, Tanyana working on a shot lock now. Impossible. Let's go for the pass. Mr. Romo goes second shot clock. Cross pass Miguel. 9 seconds to shoot. Swing pass. Mr. Romo attack it. Goes the shot is good. 42-49. Mr. Liga, Mr. Japan, lays it in, good for 0. 51-42, but it's a shot off Malaman. Mr. Alman, number 33. Setting up lane. Shot clock, 13 seconds. Alfonso wide open, Lantas and Ray. Malakas ang Madilang was 8 seconds. 5 seconds. Wala, offensive rebound, gets it down. At Coach Salon Brown, jersey number 12 is their debut, first personal foul, and third foul. Was right good, 45-51, but on the side, ang Malaman. Pass number 31, number 16, Yuto. Ligo, 16 seconds. Lantas at 3. Mama Pisuno wala. Number 3. And the whistle, number 7 wala pa. Warning. First contact warning for penalty. Coming down. Sub-rip. Substitution, 6 na lang. Sige, pasok. Substitution, pasok. 2 minutes and 8 seconds. 6 na lang ang labangan. Okay, go. Fouls to Nico White. Is there 1 point down? Omo. On the middle, Napo. Omo. Pull up. Short. Rebound. And a whistle. Mr. Omo down. Jersey number 23. First. Contact 50 bell. Okay, number 10, the lead. Number 9, Gilas, Bentamano. Wala, rebound. Mr. Naku ngayon. Naku tatawin. 3 on each generation. So, Bansip, there's a whistle. Penalty na rin yan. Counters number 18. Mr. Tamanan. First personal penalty. Sound up. Substitution. Ready to burst. So dry. Good. On 47-51, babasa apat. And down. 1 minute and 40. That's leading. 16 on the shot clock. Okay. Whistle kanina. Number 6, tatlo ka na. And a warning for penalty substitution. 31. No fouls to Nick Perez. Is it? Yung second shot lang na-impit sa kanan. Kapit nakakuha ng pwesto. Is it? And whistle. Foul. Jersey number 15. There's Ray Douglas, Randy Jones. Lying down. Number 2, Green Lobo. Pass. Kayanan. Nakagdag na nakita ng Westro. Sure na narinig one and by baseball pass. Sakto. SD. Nawala nga lang. Naka na namin. Tama na pass. Sa mga kasama si Basket. 53-47. Balik sa kanin. 53 seconds. Number 15, Tess Oco. 15 on the shot clock. Long break. Wala. Airball now 43 seconds. Sa ating game block. Tanganan. Pass to number 29, easy pull of J. No good. Rebound, Mr. Gaya. Na naman. Nakakagawa ng situation. Si Johnny almost a penalty. Number 18, second personal now. Penalty. Goal pizza. Penalty na. Substitution. Number 8. 3-3 ako. Ready jumpers. Zone drive. Look at rebound. Mr. Dinas, 28 seconds kick clock. Pass number 29. Mr. Easy. Pass number 11. It goes on wala. Drive. Napitawan. Bounce pass to Mr. Dinas. Gandang pasa. 55-48. Shot clock is dead. 14 seconds. Kayanan. 12 seconds waiting for the buzzer. 10 seconds. Kayanan. 8 seconds. Drive. Spin. Kick out. 4 seconds pa. Tabi. 2 seconds. 1. Kaya in the third quarter score 55-48. Balik sa pito. Ang kalamangan. Kamay. Block na na. Dalawang time out. Terus Tomo, Napo, kick out, Alphonse Andre. Nude, Bruce. Kick out, 12 seconds shot clock. Bounce pass, nabitawan intercepted. Mr. Easy matatawag para sa team ng Gansam. Number 29, drive, Tapi, Pinali sa kaya. Mr. Tapi, 57-48 shot. Ang kalamangan. Jerry. Tarik. Naku. Mr. Nako, atake ngayon. Diretso lang yung Virgil. 57 number 2. Pabasa limang malamang. Danganan number 18 eh. Danganan pass, Mr. Isip. 50 on the shot clock. Double shot clock. Danganan pa rin. Big pass. And there's a whistle. Okay, double foul, jersey number 77, Mr. Gold, 7th personal foul niya. First team foul, and jersey number 10, David, first personal foul. Substitution. Number 9, out, Gilas. Okay, 14 on the shot clock, India. Danganan, 12 seconds. 10 on the shot clock. Number 2, kick out, 7 on the shot clock. Long to you, big boy, shots there. 59, 54, balik na naman sa Bino. Big pass, Alfonso, Coco. Balik na rin, 57, Alfonso, nabinawa ng bola. Naman sa Coco, balik na naman sa team. Nagkakasang di ba, kaalis na big! Very good. That's the jersey number 7. Third personal foul, 17 foul. Substitution. Robbie out. Out. Ready jumpers. He's out right here, balik sa Shama, malamang ang 8 minutes sa ating clock, Mr. Nako. Tumako. Big pass, number 7 board. Kayanan to Alfonso. Nako sa lima. 14 on the shot clock, speed, fade away. Okay, guys, get with here's the whistle. This bell, person number 1-8, Mr. Danganan, tatlo. Third personal foul. 17 foul. First press in. South Ryan, good plan. 54-61 India. Pass to Mr. Danganan. Fifteen on the shot clock. Mendoza. Drop pass, David Paborito. In and out, rebound. Pass to Mr. Gannon. Gagawin. Mr. Nako sa kanan. Nakapwesto. Drop pass, number 15, Alfonso. 4-shot rebound. Nako, 4-7 shot clock. Alfonso, launches a tray. Wala pa rin. Okay, hanggang sa buwan. Balik sa Pinasias. Dalawanan. Pasa ulit. The PE, isip, ipakita ang mga teammates, 54-63. Balik ulit sa Sham, 7 minutes na makahaba. Ang routine. Alfonso, 15 on the shot clock. Kayanan. Guy, Tom, Tirdo. Wala! Ay, kinagawa na rin. All the sa Pinasias. Pasa, number 11 Mendoza, spin. Troy, pass, kick out, Danganan, SC, Anderson, resigns violation. Time out. Kick out. 12 center shot clock. Long three. In and out. Rebound. Number 11. Pass it over zone. Goes down. Jersey number 7. 4. Pogi mo na. First contact. 13 bell na. Substitution. Okay, nakaplay. Tingnan natin. The beat. Diretso. 16 on the shot clock. Kick out. 14 on the shot clock. Isip. Kick out again. Drop pass. 10 on the shot clock. There is development violation. Jackson return three. Oh, diretso lang. 36-63. Nabasa ito. 5 minutes and 40. Okay, pinawi niya ni David. Dia shot clock. 5 minutes and 20. Ayan. 10 seconds. Long three. Good one. 65-59. Pabara sa kanin. Number 18 Banganan. Pass to Isip. 15 shot clock. The beat. Paborito. Piece of pacer lang. 59-67. Walo. Oh, Bren. 15 on shot clock. Kaya na again. Nugget. Ay, there's on one. Number 11. Pass from Zuriasin. Balikin pass. Number 11. Barza. Tanganan. Tanganan Nessie. Drawing. And there's a whistle. There's a number 1, 9. Okay, warning for penalty. First one up. Pass number 10. The beat pull up again. Look at this 9. There's an all now. Pass. Number 7-4. Teardrop. Number 2. Baseball. Number 18, Tanganan. Ay, there's a result. Mr. Oco. Okay, penalty na rin yan. Sound race good, 10. 59-69 yan, Bill. Kaya sa Mr. Mambo. Nako, Lanches. Good. Rebound. Every di magpali. Kaya sa 11. Mendoza. Drive. Bigger. Pinasabit pa ang depensa. Pinasabit. Agos na ako. Right again. I really got 3 minutes and 30 on the game clock. It's then 71 those now. Sweet pass. Now. Intercepted again. The pin ngayon. The red around. The feeling in. And there's a whistle. And a contact. timeout, Hotstone. Obvious score, Savannah Bay 59. Pass it now. Now SC. Now Cameron Manchester Gray. Gray. Jason Deezer at the pass on set. 3 minutes exactly. Dangan. 14 on the shot clock. Mendoza. Yes sir. Binawian. Ayun, kaya na ngayon. Naulit. 15 on the shot clock. Now sa ligang play. 12 second shot clock. 10 seconds. Drive. Kick drop. Good in. Rebound. Number 11. Mendoza. Gilbertil. Savannah Bay is 62. 2 minutes and 10 seconds on the game clock. Big. Drives, big. And with the one, Simba dives up. Substitution, 10 second shot clock. Yes, intercepted. Here's Simba again, the beginning. Yari, ang shot pass. Ganda mga pasahan, malakas lang. Okay, kaya na namin yan. 1 minute 50. Baseball. Mr. Gross. Pass. Drive. Mabitawan. Turnover. $60 on the shot clock. Mr. Reason. Mendoza. Logan. Bruce. Baseball pass. Intercepted by Isu. $50 on the shot clock. Is it? Heads up. Running by Isu. Bruce. Pull up Jay. Yes, sir. 65 to 8. That's number 11. 1 minute. $50 shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. Reed. 8 seconds. Keep down. Long green. In and out. Rebound. 42 seconds. Bruce. Long green. In and out. 35 seconds. Pass number 16. Field to blow 2. Larry down. 12 second shot clock. Congratulations on being on Love Stars. Bernardo 65-78. Next week, warm-up time.